Hello, people. So I just returned after attending this. It was like, honestly, for me, I went because it was like a spiritual discourse by this gentleman known as Nitya Shanti. Um, he's based in Pune or Bangalore. If you were to Google him, and you can follow his Facebook page. Yeah, the thought process, I mean, it was at another level, so uh, you know like Sadhguru, um, Sri Ravi Shankar ji, and Nitya Shanti also. I could hear him speak. It These people, they've thanks to them, it's like they are elevating the consciousness of human beings, of human species on the planet. And if only that happens, half the world's problems will be solved. So really, people, I can't recommend it enough. Normally I don't record a video when I've just come back tired, like after a whole day, but I felt this was very important. So please do check it out. It's Nitya Shanti's page on Facebook, because here's a person who is like, I mean, I think we are just plain lucky to be born at a time when such enlightened souls are around. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.